Is Alexa not responding on your Fire Stick? You press the voice button, but nothing happens. No response, no commands, just silence. I know how frustrating this feels, but let's fix it step by step. Let's start with the most common fix. Step 1. Check your remote microphone button. Alexa only works when you press the voice button. Press and hold the button, then speak clearly. Do not just tap it. Also check if your remote battery is low. Replace batteries if needed. Step 2. Restart your Fire Stick. This refreshes Alexa services. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. Wait until it fully reboots. Step 3. Check internet connection. Alexa needs stable internet. If Wi-Fi is weak, Alexa may not respond. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then check your connection. If possible, switch to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 4. Make sure your Amazon account is linked. Alexa will not work without a signed-in account. Go to Settings, then go to My Account, then check Amazon account. If not signed in, log in again. Step 5. Enable Alexa permissions. Sometimes Alexa is disabled in Settings. Go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Privacy Settings. Make sure voice data and Alexa features are enabled. Step 6. Update your Fire Stick software. Outdated software can break Alexa. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for updates. Install any updates available. Step 7. Check remote pairing. If remote is not properly paired, voice may fail. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to repair. Wait for confirmation on screen. Step 8. Reduce background apps. Too many apps slow down Alexa response. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select Apps and press Force Stop. Step 9. Advanced fix, reset your remote. Remove batteries from remote. Unplug Fire Stick from power. Wait 60 seconds. Insert batteries and reconnect. This refreshes the connection completely. If you still face any problem, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your Alexa will now respond fast and work perfectly every time.